10 Recycled Dollhouse Furniture Crafts. Here at Crafty Hackers, we absolutely love making dollhouse furniture. We got super creative and came up with some pieces you and your dolls will totally love. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you like this video. Ready to get crafty with us? Let's do it! First, we're going to turn this tissue box into a cozy sofa. Measure and mark 2 squares on opposite sides of the tissue box, near the bottom. When using an Exacto knife, you should always ask an adult for help. Fold the sides down so they form the shape of a little sofa. Next, find a piece of fuzzy warm fabric and slip it over the tissue box. Glue it to the base, and tuck and fold the fabric under the bottom. Don't burn yourself! Your parents should probably do this part. Glue wooden beads to the bottom of the sofa as sofa legs. Time to relax. Cushions. Cut a strip of white duct tape and cut out a square of cotton batting. Stick the batting to the tape. Fold it over. Stick the tape together around the edges and cut off the excess. Embellish it with a rhinestone in the center. Looks like a real pillow, doesn't it? Breakfast table. Paint a jar lid white. Then you'll need 2 plastic forks, some cotton batting, a couple of water bottle caps, and a piece of fabric. Then glue the batting to the bottle caps. Pro tip: fold the fabric in half and cut a curve on the edge. When you unfold, it will be in the shape of a circle. Glue the fabric around the bottom edge of the cap. Next, cut the prongs from the forks. We're going to turn them into stool legs. Just glue them on and set them up. Now glue the bottoms of 2 small plastic cups together. Paint it white and glue it to the bottom of your jar lid to make a table. Time to set the table. Decorative lamps. Aren't these plastic jewels fabulous? First, glue some buttons to the jewel so they stand up on their own. Glue these sewing pins to the tops of the jewels. Cupcake holders make awesome lampshades. You may have to cut them down to size and glue them together again, but that's easy. Carefully place them on the sharp ends of the pins and glue a pretty bee to the tip. Aren't they gorgeous? Now, we're going to make some cute little ottomans from these fuzzy socks. First, pull the sock over your hand and roll it down your arm. Keep rolling until the sock looks like an ottoman. Super simple. For the next one, roll almost all the way to the edge and clip off the toe. Sew a strand of gold thread through to gather the ends together. When you roll it the rest of the way, you'll have this cool design in the center. Now your dolls can put their feet up and read. Glass table. Cut a rectangle from a piece of clear plastic, like this one. Glue some wooden blocks to the bottom to make table legs. Add a centerpiece and some glassware to complete the look. Decorative rug. Glue 3 strips of fabric to some quilt backing. Even it out with scissors. Make a border for the rug by wrapping the edges in white duct tape, folding it over to the back. That's all there is to it. Fireplace. Save an old soda can and glue beads to the top. Next, trace out the opening of your fireplace and get an adult to help you cut it out. Next, glue a paper towel roll to the bottom of the can. Have mom or dad spray paint the whole thing silver. Add an LED tea light candle inside and set it up. Warm your feet by the fire, Barbie. Dream bed. Grab 4 kitchen sponges and glue them together. Wrap the sponge bed in fabric, trim it to fit, and glue the edges around the bottom. Make the bed frame with craft sticks. Just cut the sticks to fit around the outside of the bed. Cut the curved parts off and glue them to the ends of the sticks. Then, glue the frame together. Cut some cotton batting squares and wrap them in fabric. Fold the fabric over and make a little glue border around the batting. Press out the border of the pillow and trim away the excess fabric. Repeat with the second pillow. Now for the bedding. Cut a piece of cotton fabric to the size of the bed. Fold down the top, add some faux fur fabric as a cozy blanket and pillow. Remove the frame and glue 4 skewer sticks in the corners as bedposts. Glue sticks at the top to make the frame. And drape some sheer fabric over it to make a canopy. So luxurious. Bedside table. Step 1. Paint a matchbox with your preferred color of acrylic paint. Don't be afraid to mix a few colors together to get the look you want. Have your parents help you cut the inside wire out of a paper clip. Carefully bend the remaining wire into this shape. Cut away the extra wire so it looks like this. Glue them onto the box of your matchbox at an angle to make the legs. Use the insert from the matchbox as a drawer and glue a decorative bead to the front as the drawer handle. We had so much fun making dollhouse furniture with you. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.